Okay, today we're going to look at the Hengst oil filter, number H90W25. And you can get this at Rock Auto for $4.41. So let's get started. It looks like it have a, so get nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration of 90 here. Okay, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Yeah, the date code is 73HYM. Made in Turkey. This is printed on. She has 6 inlet holes. And I see a metal core with holes. And it looks to be a bypass valve down below. A nitro rubber O-ring, which fits right into this groove here. So that's nice. Shouldn't come off. Yeah, it's on there pretty nice. I think it barely sticks out. See how it just barely, so I mean, yeah, hopefully these kind don't leak. I don't know. It's almost flush. Well, I say we open this baby up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 13.1 ounces in the base plate. Weigh the base plate, get this off. Base plate weighs 5.1 ounces. Take a look at this base plate. It's got a nice amount of threads here. You can see how much it sticks out here. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now you got this O-ring. This comes out, but it stays on there pretty good because of the groove. It's actually harder. It's harder to get it on than off. But any drain back valve. This is I believe rubber, nitro rubber. Yeah, but it stays. It's on here pretty good. It stays on here pretty good too. Look at this. It covers up the holes nicely. Yeah, it's on there nice and snug. Oops. And filter media. I counted 59 pleats. Got a nice metal crimp seam. You can see the little crimps in there. They're very clean filter. Metal end caps. Bypass valve down here. And the only thing I found out about this filter is this is a cellulose media. That's about it. I don't have no filtration numbers on it. There's nothing on their website. But this is nice and clean. I like this filter media. It's clean. Too bad I don't have no filtration numbers. What's this weigh? 3.9 ounces. And look what else it's got. It's got the coil spring. Yeah, we're doing a little coil spring test here. You put this in. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, it's got a nice coil spring. And the can. Let's weigh the can. This one was tough to open up. 3.5 ounces. Let's get a measurement. Wow. Yeah, 0.7. Yeah, this one's thicker than most. Most are about 0.4. You can feel it. It doesn't really move. It's thick. Nice. And let's get the measurements on this filter media. 2.29, 2.80, 2.71. Wish I had the filtration numbers on this. This is a nice looking filter. Well, you know what? Let's cut this baby open and see how long she is. Okay, here she is all stretched out. And she's 70.5 inches long. Pretty long. A lot of filter media here. Okay, and here's the seam. And it stayed together. I took a little sample off of it. I'm going to measure it. Millimeters. I was getting a 1.0. It's pretty thick filter media. 1.0 millimeters. It's pretty thick. Let's look at the rest of the filter. Oh, you got a nice metal core here. Nice metal inner core with holes. Bypass valve. Yes. Babies work. Coil spring. That's a nice feature. Nice metal can. And actually, this is rubber, but look at how snug it fits. I'm sure you wouldn't have any problems with this one. This one's on here nice. Like, it's not even wiggling. It doesn't wiggle. It can't even turn it. Barely turn it. I mean, that's on there nice. So even though it's rubber, it's got a very good shape to it that it fits just perfectly on there. Yeah, not bad. Not a bad filter for $4.41. I mean, you can if you buy a bunch of them, they'll offset the shipping costs. But overall, not a bad filter. If I had some filtration numbers, that would be better. But what do you guys think about this filter? I think it's a pretty good filter. I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.